Hey, to perform the factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, first of all, I recommend you to remove your SIM cards and your memory cards from this phone. So we have to actually grab the SIM tool from your box, open the SIM slot and remove everything that you have inside. Next, just go back, go into the settings, and from this it's also recommended to perform the backup to don't lose your data. So we can go here for the accounts and the backup, and then click to backup data for Samsung Cloud or for the Google Drive. After this, when you do this, you have to also lock out your Samsung account. So we have to open it and click here, tap to remove account and click here to confirm. And basically you'll also get this request to input some codes or passwords that you will receive on your email or your phone. Next, when you actually finish, you have to go into the main settings page, scroll down, move into the general management. From this you have to scroll again and open reset options. Now you have to scroll at the bottom, select factory data reset. From this you can find this information that almost everything will be removed from your phone, and also the accounts if you didn't previously remove them. And then you have to click to reset, input your currently screen lock, and now we have to select to delete all stuff. So that's how it looks. After this, your phone will be turned off, will perform the reset, and you will get the first setup screen on your smartphone. So that's all. Right now, please subscribe.